In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to download offline maps on Google Maps. Now let's get started right away because this is actually super easy to do. Now currently I searched up New York because I don't want to show my actual location. But what you want to do is once you're like in a place, you want to download the map off. What you want to do is click on the profile picture at the top right corner. Then what you want to do is click on offline maps. Now, as you can see, you can already see local. Google Maps does a pretty good job at sort of like knowing what your local location is, and you can download that map right away. But you can also select your own map right there, as you can see. So if you click on that, you can you can make it as big as you want. This is the limit actually, but you can also make it smaller, and you can just select a region you want to save the map of. So I'm just going to save this region, and then at the bottom it says downloads may take up to 365 megabytes of your free space, and if you zoom in you can see that it will get smaller the smaller the map will be. So actually, I'm just going to make it pretty small because I don't want to wait for a long download. But yeah, once you like this, you could just click on download, and it says downloading. And depending on your Wi-Fi, of course, this may take a while. But basically, yeah, once it's downloaded, you can access the map everywhere you want without your Wi-Fi or internet connection. So that is basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.